Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying Windows Media Player and Windows Update so codecs install cleanly. Next, download a reputable codec pack that supports Matroska and Hevk. Pick the edition that fits your system bitness. Install using default direct show options, and when the installer asks, associate. MKV so files open with WMP. Once done, reboot or restart Windows Media Player to register filters. This makes WMP able to decode typical MKV streams without extra players. Now you configure the installed filters so Windows Media Player uses them. Open the codec pack configuration tool and enable the Matroska splitter plus LAV video and audio decoders. Make sure direct show path is active. Then verify file associations in default programs so. MKV targets WMP. When you open an MKV, choose Open File in WMP. If a codec selection appears, pick the System Direct Show option. Once streams start, adjust volume and seek to confirm both audio and video decode correctly. To finish, restart Windows Media Player and test a few MKV files of varying codecs and bitrates so you confirm stability. If playback fails, update the codec pack or rerun its installer to repair direct show registrations. You can also reset WMP by disabling and re-enabling it in Windows Features. Make sure your graphics drivers are current since hardware decode matters. If issues persist, use a reliable fallback player like VLC or MPCHC. One troubleshooting tip: reinstall LAV filters and reboot, which often fixes missing codec bindings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.